guys, and welcome back to the Twins and Me. Today's video we have our meals of the week, so it's just meals that we've had and I thought I'd share them to give you some inspiration. They are all vegan but can be adapted if you don't want them like that. Hope you enjoy it. So for today's dinner we've got this mac and greens recipe that's from the Bosch cookbook. We've not had it before, but it looks really tasty and smells good. And these are cauliflower buffalo wings from the Leon vegan cookbook. Again, we've not had them before, but they look great. So that is today's dinner. So for today's dinner we've got like the sticky tofu that I normally cook, and I usually serve it with rice, but today I've served it with some rice noodles, and I've just chopped some spring onions on top, sprinkled on some sesame seeds, and then I've just cooked up some samphire, which we've had raw but not cooked before, so it needed using, so I decided just to pop it on the side. And that is what we've got for dinner today. So for today's dinner we've got a homemade leek and mushroom pie. It's one of them pies that you don't really have a bottom, it's just got a top. So you just cook up the mushrooms, leek, and then do it in like a creamy sauce and then put it in the oven. And I always end up with some extra bit of pastry, so I just use it to put stuff on the top. So I just did spots today. And then I just got some of these miniature potatoes that I've just boiled, and then I've got some kale that I've just fried up as well, and that's what we have today. So for today's dinner we've got a curry, and it's a bit of whatever we've got available, because I cancelled my click and collect on Tuesday because of the snow, and I haven't been into the shop, so it was whatever we've got. So we've got some rice, and then I had a Patak's korma paste, so I've got that, and then I added in a coconut milk. So these are just tinned potatoes, an onion, some cauliflower that's a frozen cauliflower, and then a tin of chickpeas, and that's what we've got today. So for today's dinner we've got jacket potatoes, and then we're trying this plant-based tuna, which is what this is on here, and I've mixed it with some vegan mayo. This mayo is amazing, by the way, and some sweet corn, but there wasn't enough, because this is Craig's, he's got 2 potatoes, there wasn't enough of this to go on all of it and everyone else's, so on the other ones I've put just some chopped up spring onion and some pepper, and there is some butter on there as well, and then I've just served it with some salad. So that is today's dinner. For today's dinner we've got a spaghetti bolognese. So we've used the Linda McCartney mince with some tinned tomatoes, onion and red pepper, and some garlic as well, and then I've just sprinkled on some nutritional yeast, and that's what we've got today. So for today's dinner, we were supposed to have a vegetable pie that I was going to make, but I ran out of time, so we've just got sausage and mash. So we've got the Richmond sausages, served with some carrots, broccoli, some kale, mashed potato, and then mine and Craig's has some fried onions on because it's really nice, and then the girls have just got theirs without the onions. And that's what we've got for today's dinner.